Good morning, y'all. It's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a little lock update. Today is Wednesday, September 28th, and tomorrow, which is Thursday, will be 2 weeks since I locked my hair or started it myself. This is what it's looking like. It's a little rough. I just woke up, to be honest. And over the time, the ones at the back have not so much unraveled, but at the base they haven't stayed twisted. So I'm gonna wash my hair today because my head is itching me, but it's always itching, and I don't want it to be itchy and where I'm scratching it and giving myself scabs. I did put my prescription in that the doctor told me to try for the dry flaky plaque buildup. So I put that in last night. My pharmacist said I could sleep in it, wash out the next day. It's not a big deal. I don't have too much lint in my hair right now, I don't think. What I have to worry about is the cat hair. I have a cat. That's who you can hear trying to get all the water out of the tap, out of the shower, because he's a hot mess, even though he has a water fountain. So I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm not gonna show you that process because I don't have a setup for that, and I'm not gonna attempt. Yeah, because I feel like I'm sick. Well, I'm getting over being sick. Victoria's still sick. That's besides the point of the story. But instead of laying in bed all day, I thought, let me wash my hair, retwist it a bit just because the back is doing this thing. I don't want it to be too problematic later in the journey of this. What I'm going to wash my hair for my dry, itchy scalp, I got this off Amazon. It is the Sulfur 8 Deep Clean. Let's try it again. It's the Sulfur 8 Deep Cleaning Shampoo. It says removes dandruff flakes, help restore scalp natural pH for all hair types. I used this before I did this, and I felt it worked pretty well. I don't know, my head wasn't itching, right? I'm gonna wash my hair with that twice. I'll link it down below because I got it on Amazon. And we don't have beauty supply stores like that where I live, like we do, but they're far in between and I'm not driving that way. So I'm gonna wash my hair twice with the Sulfur 8. And then to bring some hydration back into my hair because that can be drying, I'm gonna use the As I Am Classic Coconut Co-Wash. It has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, saw palmetto, and something I can't pronounce. So that bad boy. I really like this. Victoria likes it. This is her one. She'll be like, why did you use my shampoo? Like, we don't have another one. Right? So I'm gonna watch that and I'm gonna come back and share with you what I did. Yeah, I'll do that. And I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, so guys, I am fresh out of the shower, washed my hair. As I showered, I could feel that the back ones unravel, which is okay. Your girl's gonna deal with it. What I'm gonna use in my hair today for this retwist, I'm gonna use some Design Essential Scalp and Skincare Moisturizing Oil. Is the lavender and marula one for my scalp to help with the dryness. My cat is always drinking shower water. For the rest of my hair, I'm going to put a nice thin layer of the Calypso 100% organic Jamaican black castor oil. To mist my hair, I saw a lot of people using this on YouTube, so I thought I'd give it a try. It is the Heritage Stored Rose Water Refreshing Facial Mist. It's supposed to be really good for your hair, your scalp, and all that. And then I have a mixture of water and aloe vera juice. I just got mine at Shoppers Drug Mart because I wanted to use my points. But you can get it from Amazon, whatever. I got that one. It was a pretty good price too. And for the actual retwist, I know it's only 2 weeks in, almost a day shy, but I picked up the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold from Amazon because a lot of people seem to like this. I already have other gels, but this smells good. It smells nice. I've got this to try. I don't know what I'm doing. I have other gels, but they're in boxes still. If you watch my last update, I'm in the middle of moving, whatever case may be. I haven't even unpacked nothing. I'm wearing the same 8 outfits, bro. But some things I only go to work and I don't go nowhere, so it's okay. These little claw clips I got from Amazon. Just put in my hair. I got these little single clips from Amazon as well. I'll try to link everything down below. So these are when these hold the twist in place. There were longer ones, but these were like 1-day shipping. So I was like, I'll try those and whatnot. So I'm gonna do like the rest of the back of my head, then come back to y'all once I get to the front, just because the back is gonna be the most problem because I can't see it. So I will come back to y'all. Hopefully you don't hear any of the knocking. The siders are here because we're redoing the siding on the house. And they be starting, like it's not early, but shit. I wanted to sleep. They be starting at like 9:30. But it is what it is. So I'll come back in the next clip, y'all. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shalicia. I do all things beauty related. Right now, I haven't really done any makeup things lately because I don't have any makeup unpacked yet. But I thought I'd share this journey with you. So if you want to see me on my journey to my locks and see how they flourish, it's going to be a minute, you know, because it is a slow and steady process. Subscribe, follow me on my social media, especially my TikTok, guys. I've been doing a lot of stuff on there for work, but I'm trying to incorporate more like date activities when I go with my kid, because lately she's been into this wanting to do stuff. So I'm going to try to take little things and little videos. So like follow that, because, you know, it is what it is. And you'll probably see more like hair videos on there too, and little like skincare stuff and shorts and stuff and whatnot, because I do a lot of that for work. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Follow me on the social media. Leave a comment down below if you have locks or you're loose natural or relaxed. Just tell me what your hair's like. I'm curious. And what do you think about the color? It's grown on me. The raspberry, I don't see the red anymore. Like it's red in like this kind of lighting, but when you're outside, it's so raspberry and I'm feeling it. I kind of wish I'd done it like, so it was like more in the front too, but we ran out of bleach and I wasn't like gonna stop halfway to do any of that. So yeah, I'll be back when I get to the front, like this half where I can show you on camera. Okay, toodles. Okay, y'all, so this is all I have left. This is how the back is looking. I think it's going okay so far. I'm gonna speed through this part because, like I said, they're doing the siding on the house and they'd be knocking in and out like they're trying to break in. So I'm just gonna continue with the retwist and speed this part up so y'all can see what I be doing. If you have any tips or recommendations, leave them down in the comments below. I would love to have some insight if you are locked.
Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat.
Okay, y'all, so I am done with my retwist, the first retwist. It feels good, it feels secure. I'm just gonna put some of the hair oil on my scalp right here. So I was doing it in between the other rows, just so I can keep my scalp hydrated and moisturized. Y'all, I don't know why it took me so long to try this gel, but it feels so nice. I feel like lay my edges down a bit so at least they're not looking too dry and crusty. Just right here, just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna spritz it with some rose water, just because my hair does not soak up any moisture. And this is it. When it's dry, like later, so I'm not going under a dryer or anything because I'm just homesick today. So I'll be back in a few hours to show you when I take it down and see how it goes out. I might try to put some heat on it with the diffuser, blow dryer jazz. We'll see how I feel. But yeah, this is what it turned out, guys. I'm quite impressed with my skills. Leave a comment down below on how you do your retwist, what gel or what you like to use. I've seen people do oil, but I'm not quite confident in that yet. So maybe in the future. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye, y'all. Okay, guys, so my hair is basically completely dried. I did just go over with like a blow dryer because I don't have a hooded blow dryer because I don't have one. Maybe I should invest in one. I don't know. But I am just pulling out my clips now to see how the results will look. It was my first time retwisting my hair and whatnot. So we'll see how it goes.
Digits on the beat.
Okay, so this is the retwist. It's like really like flat to my head, which I don't mind at all. I think it turned out pretty good. It's not overly fuzzy. Like I don't have like the tightest retwist game, clearly. See, it was my first time, but I think it turned out really good. Like, you know, I think it turned out pretty good and whatnot. My edges could get laid, but you know, I don't really lay my edges in general, so that's probably not a thing either. Yeah, so this is the first retwist. Tell me what y'all think. Hopefully as time progresses, I'll get better. When I originally counted my locks like last week, I had 61. I want to say, let's say 61. But actually when I do my next one, my next retwist or wash, whatever, whenever my head starts itching, I'll get my daughter to count it for me, or maybe I'll even get her to count it tonight. I'll leave it in the comments in the description for y'all. Because like people seem to like those things, but I think I have 61 based on what I remember counting. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job with my first retwist. Can't wait to see it flourish and grow. I already want to change my hair color, guys. Because I was looking at Naturally Sunny. I think that's her Instagram. It used to be her YouTube name. I don't know what it goes by now. But she had just done a new color with like the Adore, Cajun Spice, and 2 other shades, and it looked fire. Not that I wouldn't do my hair again. I just not wrecked it, but I just had fun with it. So we'll see. Maybe we'll wait until this color starts fading. I don't know. The raspberry's growing on me. The raspberry's growing on me, and my twists are looking cute. I can't wait till I wake up tomorrow morning. Like this one is like sticking up hard, just because that's how the curl is. But it is what it is. Deuces.